Hi there, I am Hamza Sheikh and welcome to Fantasy Creator. Today we will learn how to use crop tool. First of all, we make a block, then color it. Now we use crop tool to crop it. We can select any area of the object from anywhere to crop it. That is, our area is selected. Now double click inside the selected area. It is cropped. That is, we can crop any part from anywhere. That is amazing. Now we move to another tool, that is knife tool. First of all, we make a block, then color it. Now we use knife tool. As it is shown by its name that it is a knife that is used to cut the object into two or more parts. Here you see. As you are watching that our object has been divided into two parts. We can make two or more parts from this tool. That is. That is great. Our next tool is erase tool. It is basically a eraser that is used to erase the unwanted part of the design. Then we color it. Now we erase it from eraser tool. That is, we can erase it from anywhere. That is very simple tool. Very simple tool. Our next tool is virtual segment delete. It is a bit complicated tool, but it is very useful tool to delete the unwanted part of the design. That is, here is our block and we put a circle in front of it. Now we use virtual segment delete tool to delete the unwanted part of our object. That is amazing. That is great. Amazing. Now we see how to zoom in the CorelDRAW. That is, here are two objects. This is a tool that is used to zoom the object. That is, here we can zoom from this tool. That is, and this is zoom out tool. That is, this is zoom in. That is zoom out. Very simple. Another tool, that is pan tool. We can move whole part of the page from this tool. That is, here you see the difference between this tool. That is pan tool and this is zoom tool. This is zoom and this is pan. Thanks for watching. Please like and share our video if you like, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.